This is Fred with Christmas Light Installers, and this is a tip from a pro. We just did this big barn, and we got garland right here up these pillars. And as you can see, no one wants, these got lights in them. We have LEDs in them, but no one wants extension cords all over the walkway. So what we do is this is a real big barn here. There's actually horses inside. But we run this up here, and then we have these little black jumpers, which are really hard to see from the ground. And then I have my roof lights here, and all I did was I put this little cord right here. I put a little vampire plug right here on my roof line, and I plug it in here so I can hide my extension cords. And then I can turn my lights on with my roof, and I got no trip hazards on the ground, which is good for commercial work or even good for anyone's house. And there's your tip from a pro. Keep following us on YouTube, like us. We'll keep putting out more tips to make your house look like a pro installed it this season.